Hi, and welcome to Step Up AT's device demonstration videos. Today we will walk you through how to make a communication board which will feature a set of core words that can be used throughout the day. We have another video with more information about the Lessonpix website that explains how to make a visual schedule. You can find a link to that video below. Now let's make a communication board which will feature a set of core words that can be used throughout the day.
What do we do now? What do you want? I'm going to put it back.
This is what you will see when you log into Lessonpix. We will begin by loading the images you want to use on your tray on the right side of the screen. Search for the images you want using the search bar on the upper right hand of the screen. When you find the images you want, click on the plus sign to add it to your tray. Continue to add your images until you have found all the images you need. Go. Yes. No. Once you have the visuals you wish to use, click on Create Materials on the upper right-hand corner of your tray. It will then open a screen to show you the different materials you can create within Lessonpix. We are going to make picture cards, which is the first option after you click Create Materials. Click Next, and you will see the screen where you can edit your images. Here you can change the name of your visuals, you can change the background colors, move around the images, and change the quantity of the images if you need more than one of the same image. When your images are ready, click on Grid Layout. Here you can edit your layout. You have many options within the picture cards to change the rows, columns, sizes of pictures, and so on. When you're done, click on Save Layout. Once you have made your selection, click Finish, and you can download as a PDF. You are now ready to print, laminate, and use your communication board. Another feature of Lessonpix that is valuable to use is the Sharing Center. Here, other users have uploaded visuals they have made. If you have an idea of something you want to find, you can search. The possibilities are endless on Lessonpix. Remember to always consider the student, their environment, the task you want him or her to complete, and the tool you want them to use. Once you have assessed those needs, it will be a lot easier to decide what visuals you want to create on Lessonpix.